Hi, Assalamualaikum. Good day, everyone. So today we are going to continue the subtopic 10.3, the mechanism of the heartbeat. The heart is made up of cardiac muscle, and the muscle is connected and intersect with one another. The arrangement of the cardiac muscle allows the electric impulses to spread rapidly through the heart. At the same time, it will stimulate the cardiac muscle cell to contract simultaneously. The characteristics of cardiac muscles are myogenic. This means that the heart contracts and relaxes without receiving any impulse signal from the nervous system. This is the sample of the pacemaker. So let's take a look at what is pacemaker. This is the location of the sinoatrial node or SA node. This is the atrioventricular node, AV nodes, and the Purkinje fiber. Later, we are going to discuss about the pumping of the heart. Firstly, the sinoatrial node SA will generate electrical impulse. Then, the electric impulse spread rapidly in both the atria, causing the atria to contract simultaneously. The contractions of the atria helps to pump blood to the ventricle. Later, the electrical impulses reach at the atrioventricular nodes. Then the electrical impulse spread through the bundle of His and the Purkinje fiber up to the apex of the heart. Lastly, the electrical impulse spread from the apex of the heart to the whole ventricle wall. As a result, the ventricle will contract to pump the blood out of the lung and body. The contractions of the heart is initiated and coordinated by a pacemaker. The pacemaker is a group of specific heart muscle cells that initiates the rate of heart contraction, and it is located at the right atrium wall. The pacemaker will generate electrical impulse that spread rapidly through both walls of the atrium and cause the atrium to contract rhythmically. The main pacemaker is called sinoatrial nodes. The productions of the loop-doop sound. During the heart pumping, the loop-doop sound can be heard. The loop-doop sound is actually the closing sound of the heart valve. The first loop sound is produced when the tricuspid valve and the bicuspid valve close. It is followed by the second doop, which is produced when the semilunar valve closes. This is the contractions of the skeletal muscle around the vein. The pumping of the heart will help the distribution and flow of blood through the arteries, arteriole, and the blood capillaries. The force produced by pumping of the heart is insufficient. Therefore, the blood is forced to flow against the force of the gravity. The presence of valve in the vein will ensure that the blood flow in one direction to the heart. The blood flow in the vein is assisted by A. The contraction of the smooth muscle found in the venule and vein wall. Second one, the contraction and the skeletal muscle around the vein. The contractions of skeletal muscle press and constrict the vein, causing the valve to open and allow the blood to flow towards the heart. The valve is then closed to prevent the blood from flowing back to the foot.